Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into YouTube and immediately opening settings so you can change behavior now. Once there, go to Playback and Performance on desktop or App Settings on mobile. This is where autoplay lives. Make sure you have permission to install extensions or change browser site settings, because the next steps require those tools if the built-in toggle won't fully stop playback. You'll act now to turn off autoplay and prepare to apply browser or device-level blocks that prevent videos from starting. Once autoplay is off in YouTube, reinforce the change by blocking media at the browser level. Install an extension like uBlock Origin or a dedicated HTML5 autoplay stopper, then create a rule to block YouTube. com/watch or block media elements on YouTube. Make sure browser site settings are set to block autoplay and mute the site. On mobile, disable background playback and revoke permission to play in the background. These combined layers stop both automatic starts and accidental plays triggered by page. Finish by testing several YouTube links and playlists to confirm videos no longer start. If anything still plays, add stricter rules. Block YouTube. Be short links, add a host's file entry or firewall rule for video domains, and prevent background playback on mobile. Make sure you clear cache and restart the browser or app after changes. If playback persists, disable other extensions one at a time to find conflicts. If needed, remove and reinstall your chosen blocker to reset its rules.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.